So here at the back of the ambulance, we have a custom-built MAC lift gate. This is used to load bariatric patients, isolates, critical care, extra equipment. It gives them the lifting power necessary to move in larger objects than just a standard everyday call where they run an ALS call. So it deploys from underneath the truck. Here we have it in the load position. There's a transition ramp that gets the stretcher from the ramp lift gate onto the back of the truck. We simply close that up and we lower the ramp to its lowest position. After the MAC lift gate is at its lower level, we're simply going to fold it in and redeploy it underneath the truck. Each one is spring assisted. We simply bring each section of it inside. It locks in. The last section, we grab the handle, put it at its lowest point. Once the MAC lift gate is folded up, it's ready for storage underneath the ambulance. So we want to go to approximately the center position. We want to slide it all the way in. And then we're going to seat it back in its position, close the step bumper, and we're back to normal ambulance operations. So now we're going to show how we deploy the MAC lift gate on this particular ambulance. The custom-made step bumper comes up. The first thing we need to do is raise it outside of its locked track, pull the release lever, and bring the unit out. Once it's out into an unload position, we simply unfold each section. There's a safety catch for each one. We unfold the ramp and we can lower it down to ground position for loading of the cot. Once the MAC lift gate is fully deployed, it's ready for loading the stretcher, and then we simply bring it back up to the height of the ambulance and load the stretcher.